Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at the data representation chapter 2 topic 1 digital number system. We all know that in digital systems the quantities are represented by symbols called digits, and the most commonly used number system in digital technology are the decimal, binary, octal and the hexadecimal systems. The decimal system uses 10 symbols 0 till 9. The binary uses 2 symbols 0 and 1. Octal uses 8 symbols 0 to 7. And hexadecimal uses 16 symbols 0 to 9 followed by capital A till F. First, we will have a look at the decimal number system. The decimal number system is composed of 10 numerals or symbols. It gets its name from deca, which means 10, and the 10 symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the decimal number system is also called as the base 10 system, and this is because it has 10 digits and it evolves naturally as a result of the fact that humans have 10 fingers. The decimal number system is a positional value system. So what is positional value system? Let us take an example, 729. We represent the digit 7 as 7 hundreds, 2 as 2 tens and 9 as 9 units or 9 ones. In this, we can see that the value of each digit depends upon its position, and out of the 3 digits, 7 carries the most weight and 9 carries the least weight. So that is why 7 is the MSD or the most significant digit and 9 is LSD or the least significant digit. And we can also note that these numbers can be represented as powers of 10. So if we take an example 25.12, it is nothing but 2 tens and 5 ones, and this can be represented as 2 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0, which is nothing but 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. The number which comes after the decimal is represented as 1 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100. So the decimal point separates the positive powers of 10 from the negative powers of 10. And there is another point that has to be noted is that any number is the sum of the product of each digit value and its positional value. So we will take another example, 2512.1971. Here we can see that there is a decimal point which separates the positive powers of 10 with the negative powers of 10. And also we can notice that the MSD which carries the most weightage is number 2, and the LSD which carries the least weightage is number 1. And any number is the sum of the product of each digit and its positional value. That is best demonstrated with this example. We can see that it is 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0, which comes down to 2512. And what comes after the decimal point is the negative powers of 10, and it can be represented as 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. Also, the sequence of numbers goes down as 0 till 9, and after that it's followed by 10, 11, 12, 13, etc. We can see that after 9, each successive number is a combination of 2 or more symbols of the decimal number system. Now we will look at the binary number system. The binary number system is also known as a base 2 system, and it is represented by 2 symbols 0 and 1. Commonly, it is used in digital system for its accurate electronic circuit design, as electronic circuits operate with 2 voltage levels, the on and the off level, and that is equivalent to 1 and 0. And the binary number is also a positional value system. So what is positional value system? We saw it already, that it's in the value of the digit depends on its position, and the binary digit has its own weight expressed as the powers of 2, whereas in decimal system it is expressed as the powers of 10. Let us look at an example. We can see a binary point, and there is 1010 on the left side of the binary point and 0101 on the right side of the binary point. And we can also see an MSB, the most significant bit, the bit with most weightage, and LSB, the least significant bit, the bit with the least weightage. And the binary point separates the positive powers of 2 with the negative powers of 2. And the decimal equivalent of the binary point can be represented as the sum of the product of each digit value, and it's either 0 or 1, and its positional value. Based on the calculation, we can see that 1010.0101 base 2 is equal to 10.3125 base 10. And the thing is, the sequence of the binary number goes on as 00, 01, 10, 11, 100, 101, etc. And to understand further, let us look at this table, and we can see that the unit bit LSB, that is 2 to the power 0 position, changes from either 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 with each count. And the second bit, which is 2 to the power 1 position, remains at 0 for 2 count, and then changes to 1 for 2 count, and then changes again to 0 for 2 counts, and so on. The third bit, which is 2 to the power 2 position, stays at 0 for 4 counts and 1 for 4 counts, and so on. And the fourth bit, which is 2 to the power 3 position, stays at 0 for 8 counts and 1 for 8 counts. And for further counts, the pattern will continue with zeros and ones alternating in groups of 2 to the power n minus 1. Here we can say that n is the bit position, either it is like a 5th bit, 6th bit, and so on. Have a look at the octal number system. The octal number system is a base 8 system, means that it has 8 unique symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the octal system is also a positional value system, and we can see that each octal digit has its own value or weight expressed as the powers of 8. And we can see an octal point, and the digits on the left side of the octal point are positive powers of 8, and the digits on the right side are the negative powers of 8. And here we can see the MSB is the digit 3 and LSB is 6. And the octal number, example number given is 3721.2406, and we can get the decimal equivalent of the octal number by taking the sum of the product of each digit value and its positional value. We can see that 3721.2406 base 8 is equal to 2001.313964 base 10. This is the decimal equivalent of the octal value. And the sequence of the octal number goes as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, followed by 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, etc. And we can also see that each successive number after 7 is a combination of 2 or more unique symbols of the octal system. Now we will look at the hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal system uses a base 16. It has 16 possible digit symbols. The digits are 0 to 9 plus the letters A, B, C, D, E and F. The hexadecimal system is also a positional value system like the other systems we discussed before. The hexadecimal system has its own value or weight expressed as the powers of 16. As given in the figure, we can see that the hexadecimal point is there, and the digits on the left of the hexadecimal point are positive powers of 16, and the digits on the right side of the decimal point are the negative powers of 16. Given in this slide, we can see the relationship between the various number system. We can note that each hexadecimal digit is represented as group of 4 binary digits, and we can also see that the hexadecimal digits A to F are equivalent to the decimal values 10 to 15. We are done with the topics today, and next video we will look at the number conversions. Thank you.